To try our Tax Genie, head along to that URL. You can enter your scenario here and your question involving the scenario here, or you can simply enter a question here and then use that button or Control Enter to send the message. And then you'll engage in a chat. So it may be that you have multiple chat points, or you just have a single chat as in this example, and you get your solution. Either way, you'll end up with a series of details, starting with your scenario and your user question, and following through with the thoughts and observations that you've seen Tax Genie make. And you'll see it looks all through the tax legislation and then compresses that information in its final conclusive observation. So like there. So there's the final observation there, which I said seems reasonable, and I left my name. So do that if you can, because that will help us to refine the program.